Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the distance on Plenty of Fish. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Plenty of Fish, just click on the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, once you are here, some users might prefer to see matches who are closer to their location for convenience or ease of meeting up in person. So that could be one of the reasons why someone might want to change the distance settings on Plenty of Fish. Now, others might want to expand their search radius to include a broader range of potential matches, especially if they live in a less densely populated area or if they are willing to travel for the right connection. Because changing distance can be useful for users who are relocating or traveling and want to see potential matches in their new location. Now, once you are logged into your account, all you have to do is to go to the cog icon setting, and from here all you have to do is move towards a POF search, and users can go to the advanced search. Obviously, just go to the location settings right here. And users must now select the number of miles, alright, they want to limit their search and results, alright. It's a very straightforward process, because make sure your county, state, city and zip code or postal code are all correct, and scroll down until you see the save button and save changes and log out of your profile and log back in. Alright, now in the event that you encounter any problems about changing distance on Plenty of Fish or any related concerns, just go to the help center, wherein you just need to find the criteria that you are looking for, or maybe type the questions that you have and just hit enter. Right now, from here all you have to do is just search. Now you also have an option to click on the bottom right here, click on the AA assistant and type in your questions about changing distance on Plenty of Fish, right? And if you get any answers. And ultimately, the decision to change distance settings on Plenty of Fish or any dating app depends on the individual preferences, goals, and circumstances. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.